Hello, this is my dog Dottie, English Bulldog. Say hi to the camera. Her name's Dottie. She's about 6 months old. No, maybe about 8. Around 8 months old. She's cute. She likes to eat everything. And lick everything, I guess. If you're wondering why we call her Dottie, it's because she has dots all over her. And then there's some dots on her ear. See? There's dots all over her body. And then, it's my dog Tyson. He's confused right now. He's a very good dog. He's been around my life for about 5 years now. He has like white on his chest. He's a pretty good dog. We call him Teet Teet. Cause his name's Tyson, so we call him Teet Teet. Hi Ty. Hi Tyson. Dottie! She's trying to eat me. Look at her teeth. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video.